The volume of a prism is the base area of the prism times the height. So if we have a rectangular prism, we're going to find the area of the base first, then multiply that by the height. Now we also are lucky if that prism is a rectangle. The base is really the length times the width. So you could also say if it's a rectangle, you could do base being length times width times height. We're really multiplying the three dimensions. So if I had 3, 4, and 5, the volume would be 3 times 4 times 5. Those are the two dimensions, which give you 12, or a base area of 12. And then the height being 5 gives us 60 units cubed. Now, if we had a triangular prism, let's draw it like this. And let's say it's a right triangle. Now this one, I'm going to make my height 6, and then my base is actually these two parts. They're the congruent bases. And let's go 4 and 3. So the volume is still base area times height, but our base area this time is a triangle, not this square on the bottom. It's a triangle because the bases have to be congruent to one another. So I'm going to do 1/2 4 times 3, that being the area of a triangle, times 6 for the height. So my base area, half of 4 is 2, times 3 is 6, times 6 for the height gives me 36 units cubed. So you're always going to take whatever your base is, figure out its area, and multiply it by the height. Now the second part of that is the volume of a cylinder. So we take the base area times the height, and the base area of a circle is pi r squared. So now, to find the area of the volume of a cylinder, we need a radius and a height. So if my radius is 4 and my height is 6, the volume is going to be pi times 4 squared times 6, which is pi times 16 times 6, which is 96 pi units cubed. We can then go to our calculator. 96 times pi comes out to be about 301.6 units cubed.